Check if all conditions are true by group based on start date in pandas.
I have a data frame which looks like this.
For each group in column A, I need to check if column cont has true value for all years between column start date, can be different for each group, and end year.
My resulting data frame should look like this. Logic. Cust1 equals false as year 2019 value equals false.
Cust2 equals true as start date 2018 and for all years between 2018 and 2019 cont is true. Cust3 equals true as start date 2017 and for all years between 2017 and 2019 cont is true. Cust4 equals false as start date 2017 but no data for 2017, so condition not met.
Fuck, you could use reindex to fill up the empty years by group, then check for true.
Try. Way less readable than Henry's answer, however no lambda has been used to deliver the solution, and it leverages vectorized processing, hence I would expect it to perform better, particularly for large datasets. Outputs.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.